1, 2, 3, start. The concept of dearness allowance and its origin is required to be recapitulated, which in my opinion is a unique feature to combat the disparity in the living conditions and mitigating the circumstances faced by the government employees due to cost of inflation stop. The different countries in the world have tackled the inflation by revision of wages instead of granting the dearness allowance stop. The dearness allowance in our country is a relic of First World War to tackle the rise of costs impacted upon the living standards by not using the same terminology but in the form of an ad hoc payment not linked with the inflation of the cost of living stop. During the Second World War, the dearness allowance in bracket for short DA bracket close was introduced in the form of a grain compensation allowances to recompense the employee of the hardships suffered for the rise in the price of the food grains, and after the independence the then central government constituted the first pay commission in 1947 to examine the base structure and ascertain the actual hardship which the central government employees suffered because of the steep rise in the cost of living, commonly known as the inflation stop. The committee was also set up on fair wages to evaluate the situation and recommend the suggestive measures, which was constituted in the year 1949 stop. In the same line, the Second Pay Commission was constituted in the year 1959, and thereafter a one-man independent committee was constituted to inquire the question of dearness allowance that may be payable to the government employees, and the report was submitted by such one-man committee in the month of July 1966. The same was followed by another commission, that is the Dearness Allowance Commission, to examine the principles governing the grant of DA to the central government employees in future and also make recommendations pertaining to the modalities and the acceptable structure or the formula to calculate the DA in future stop para. In federal system, the union of state and its independence as envisioned in the constitution, the state government from time to time in tune with the central government constituted the pay commission to evaluate the inflation in the cost of living to the state government employees by adopting a different formula which sometimes raises the disparity stop para, such being the factual matrix disconcerned. From the record, the learned Advocate General submits that the concept of ascertaining the rate of the DA being variable and depends upon the various factors including the consumer price index at the relevant place of his posting cannot be brought within the straitjacket formula stop. In other words, it is submitted that the DA depends upon the place of posting or where the employee is posted in a particular place, the inflation as to the cost of living at such place, and therefore the uniform standard of ascertaining the cost of inflation on an all India basis may result into a cause and relied upon a judgment of the Supreme Court stop.